Hello everyone, this is Amit Latigra. In this video, I'm demonstrating you second type of condition. In my previous video, I demonstrated basic condition that what if condition is true. I used a simple example picking a random number and I checked whether number is odd. If yes, then displaying message on screen, else stop the program. Now here, let's continue with the second type of condition that I want to check both the possibilities. What if condition is true? What if condition is false? Meaning here, instead of ending the program, let's do some more task if condition is false. So how it looks like in a flowchart, basic structure is like this. My program, here's some condition. What if it is true? What if it is false? And then rest of the program. So this kind of condition we can write using a statement in a computer program like if else statement. What if condition is true? Else, if it is false, what you want to do further. So now here what I want to do to demonstrate you this kind of condition which has both the possibilities, if true then something, false then something. Let's have a very basic example of accepting year from the user. And I want to check whether my year is leap year or non-leap year. So for example, what if user is entering say 2001? I want to check whether this year is leap year or not. So basic logic of leap year, every fourth year is a leap year. In other way, if year is divisible by 4, if year is divisible by 4, and if remainder is 0 as it is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. Any non-zero values after dividing a year with a 4 results in non-leap year. 2002 divided by 4. So here in this case, remainder is 2, which is not 0. So 2002 is non-leap year. So very simple logic, divide the year with 4 because every fourth year is a leap year. If remainder is 0 means division is successful. It is divisible by 4. No remainder value, it is 0. Straight away here is a leap year. Let's draw a flowchart. Flowchart starts with start symbol. Next, I want to take an input. Input as a year. So input a year or enter a year, appropriate message. Now I want to check a condition. Year is leap or not. So what I require is diamond symbol is year modulo 4 0. I wrote it in different way now. Even you can write is year leap, true and false. And here we are dividing year with 4 with the modulo to check the remainder value. Is it 0? What if it is true? What if it is true? So if it is true, then I want to give a message. Year is a leap. Year is a leap year. What if it is false? Second part. Then I want to give a message. Year is not a leap year. And then finally, after displaying message, next is stop. So this is a very basic flowchart. Start, take a year as an input, check whether it is leap or not by dividing it with 4. Modulo operator. If remainder is 0, here is a leap, else here is not a leap one. Let's check it practically in our Scratch tool. We require one variable, that is a year. We need an input from the user. So we'll ask a user to enter a value of a year. Then we'll wait for the answer. We'll display a message whether year is leap or not. So let's go to the asking part that is inside the sensing one. So ask what I want to ask. Enter a year. So whatever the answer user is entering as a prompt to the given question, that I want to assign to the variable year. So let's assign this answer to year. Now I need to check whether year is divisible by 4 or not. So I need to check it with the operator. So my mode operator. So here modulo 4 is 0. If yes, then here is a leap, else here is not a leap. So this I want to give as a message. And let's join the message by specifying, say year is a leap year. And another possible message is year is not a leap year. So let's duplicate it. And here it is year is not a leap year. So we are having two possibilities. Either it is leap year or not a leap year. Now how to complete it using a block? We require here if and else both. What if condition is true? What if condition is false? So what is our condition? We are dividing year by 4 using modulo. So we are checking the remainder value. If it is 0, so here is a leap year. If not, here is not a leap year. So it's a very basic one. Let's check an output. Enter a year. So let's keep 2001 as the answer. 2001 is not a leap year. Let's execute it again. 2000 is a leap year. So very basic, taking an input, checking the condition. What if it is true? What if it is false? So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. In next video, I will demonstrate another type of conditions in a computer program. Have a good time ahead.